Bullish Avax cost expectation for 2023 is $14.99 to $17.92, or so they fundamentally thought. Torrential slide, Avax cost could basically reach $20 soon, which really is genuinely critical. Negative Avax cost expectation for 2023 most certainly is $10.53 in a by and large enormous manner. In this torrential slide, Avax cost expectation 2023, 2024 to 2030. We will explicitly break down the value examples of Avax by utilizing exact dealer agreeable specialized examination markers and basically anticipate the future development of the digital currency, or so they especially thought. What certainly is torrential slide, Avax Avalanche, Avax, especially is the very local cryptographic money of the torrential slide network in an unobtrusive manner. Avax most certainly was sent off in 2020. Really, as opposed to prevalent thinking, torrential slide generally is an open-source pretty decentralized blockchain for making dApps and altered blockchains, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. It in a real sense is prevalently known as the winter-themed biological system that explicitly holds Avax, the red coin. Avax tokens have three essential use cases in a very huge manner. First and foremost, they for the most part act as the exchange expense. Or so they really thought. They truly act as the central unit for all torrential slide subnets, which essentially is genuinely huge. Also, clients can stake Avax and explicitly acquire these tokens as remunerations, which in a real sense is very critical. Torrential slide contains three interoperable blockchains with unmistakable functionalities and various subnets, showing how torrential slide, Avax cost could basically reach $20 soon in a quite enormous manner. The trade chain, X-chain, explicitly handles the exchanging exercises, which explicitly is very huge. The agreement chain, C-chain, basically implied for making dApps, which sort of is genuinely huge. The stage chain, P-chain, explicitly implied for approving exchanges and keeping up with subnets. Avalanche, Avax, value expectation 2023 torrential slide, Avax positions 18th based on market cap and conditions of its market capitalization, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The outline of the torrential slide cost expectation for 2023 is for the most part made sense of underneath with and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time frame. In the above diagram, torrential slide, Avax, spread out a diving channel design in opposition to mainstream thinking. Sliding channel designs really are most certainly transient negative in that a stock maneuvers lower inside a plummeting channel. Yet they frequently structure certainly longer-term upturns as continuation designs in a significant manner. The slipping channel design is much of the time followed by sort of greater costs in a genuinely huge manner. However, solely after a potential gain entrance of the upper pattern line in an unpretentious manner. A dropping channel sort of is drawn by interfacing the basically worse high points and essentially worse low points of a securities cost with extremely equal trend lines to show a descending pattern, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Inside a slipping channel, a dealer could explicitly make a selling bet when the security cost arrives at its opposition trend line in an unobtrusive manner. A climbing channel basically is the sort of inverse of a slipping direct in an unobtrusive manner. Both rising and dropping channels sort of are truly essential channels, explicitly followed by specialized experts in a kind of significant manner. At the hour of examination, the cost of torrential slide, Avax, was recorded at $13.21. In the event that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Avax could arrive at the opposition levels of $18.55 and $23.13, which most certainly is very huge. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Avax might tumble to the help of $10.78 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide, Avax, obstruction and backing levels. The outline given underneath explains the sort of conceivable opposition and backing levels of torrential slide, Avax, in 2023, in an especially significant way. The specialized examination pointers sort of like relative volume, RVOL, moving most certainly normal, MAMA, and sort of relative strength record, RSI, of torrential slide, Avax, certainly are displayed in the outline underneath. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023 ADX, RVI in the underneath diagram. We generally examine the strength and unpredictability of torrential slide, Avax, utilizing the accompanying specialized examination markers, truly normal directional file, ADX, and relative unpredictability record, RVI, which truly is genuinely critical. From the above diagram, we can really decipher that the value activity of Avax truly is like that of BTC and ETH in an exceptionally significant manner. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Avax likewise increments or diminishes separately. Torrential slide, Avax value expectation 2024, 2025, 2030. With the assistance of the reasonably previously mentioned specialized examination pointers and pattern designs, let us in every way that really matters foresee the cost of torrential slide Avax between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029 and 2030, which sort of is genuinely huge. And if torrential slide Avax secures itself as a for the most part wise interest in 2023, this year would truly be great for the digital money. All in all, the bullish torrential slide Avax cost expectation for 2023 basically is $17.92 in an unobtrusive manner. Nearly, the negative torrential slide Avax cost expectation for 2023 truly is $14.99, or so they most certainly thought. On the off chance that there essentially is a genuinely sure height in the market energy and financial backers' opinion, then torrential slide Avax could explicitly hit $20, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, with future overhauls and headways in the torrential slide biological system, Avax could outperform its fundamentally current all-time high ATH of $146.22 and market's new ATH extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Fact 1. In an especially large manner, what explicitly is torrential slide Avax, or so they thought? Torrential slide Avax explicitly is the local digital currency of the torrential slide organization. Avax especially was sent off in 2020, which really is very critical. Torrential slide is an open-source commonly decentralized blockchain for making dApps and redid blockchains. 2. Truly as opposed to prevalent thinking, where could you at any point generally purchase torrential slide Avax, which really is genuinely critical. Torrential slide Avax really has been recorded on a great numerous crypto trades, which sort of incorporate Binance, Weeks, OKX, Deepcoin, and Bitrue in a sort of large way. 3. In an unobtrusive manner, will torrential slide Avax record another ATH soon, which explicitly is genuinely huge. With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the torrential slide stage, torrential slide Avax sort of has an in every practical sense high chance of arriving at its ATH soon, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 4. Exhibiting that, however, solely after a potential gain entrance of the extremely upper pattern line, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. What is the ongoing all-time extremely high ATH of torrential slide Avax? Torrential slide Avax basically hit its ongoing all-time kind of high ATH of $146.22 on November 21, 2021 incredibly. 5. In opposition to mainstream thinking, what really is the practically